What's up, guys? If your hands slip or your grips twist during a long ride, you know just how annoying and dangerous that can be. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best bicycle handlebar grips to solve that exact problem. Welcome back to Budget Buying. Let's get started. The Rider Race bicycle handlebar grips bring a secure, comfortable, and reliable riding experience across a wide range of bicycles. When you are out on a rocky trail or cruising around the neighborhood on a sunny afternoon, the last thing you want to worry about is losing your hold on the bars. That is where a solid set of grips becomes absolutely essential. Rider Race has designed these to handle just about anything your ride throws at them. Let us talk about what makes them so special and why they might just be the perfect upgrade for your two-wheeler. First off, the core of the Rider Race bicycle handlebar grips is built with a high-strength PP lining. This internal structure is incredibly important because it provides excellent hardness and stability from the inside out. If you ride frequently, you know that cheaper, lower-quality grips can start to bend or collapse under the constant pressure of your hands over time. But with this solid inner support, the grip sleeve is able to maintain its shape even during your most extended or demanding rides. This means the grips remain firmly on the handlebar without any unwanted deformation, giving you a consistent, reliable feel every single time you hop on your bike. Next up, let us look at the compatibility. The Rider Race bicycle handlebar grips feature a 22.2 mm general standard caliber. This universal sizing is a massive benefit because it makes these grips highly compatible with the majority of mountain bikes, folding bikes, and recreational bicycles available today. If you want to upgrade your factory setup or simply replace a worn-out pair, you will not have to worry about complicated adjustments or needing special tools. They are designed to slide right on and provide a practical, frustration-free choice for riders. Moving on to one of the biggest highlights of the Rider Race bicycle handlebar grips, we have to talk about their well-engineered structural design. These grips feature premium aluminum alloy double-sided locking rings. If you have ever had a grip slowly rotate backward or slip off the end of your handlebar while you are pulling hard up a hill, you know exactly how dangerous that can be. These bilateral locking rings solve that issue completely. They secure the grips firmly in place, entirely preventing any rotation or loosening during your rides. This double-sided locking system significantly enhances your overall riding confidence by ensuring the handlebar sleeves remain completely stable and perfectly aligned, even on uneven terrain. And on top of keeping things secure, these locking rings are designed to be completely dustproof and waterproof. When you are riding outdoors, you are constantly exposed to blowing dirt, thick mud, heavy rain, and puddles. The sealed design helps protect the vital internal components of your handlebar from harsh environmental exposure. Adding to this protection, the Rider Race bicycle handlebar grips come with integrated dust-proof plugs. These specialized plugs fit perfectly into the open ends of your handlebars to effectively block dust, rainwater, and random trail debris. This heavily contributes to the long-term durability of both your grips and your bike frame. Of course, we cannot forget about comfort, which is the most important aspect of any grip you will ever buy. The outer layer of the Rider Race bicycle handlebar grips is crafted from a highly comfortable PE rubber. This material feels great in the hands, offering a perfect balance between pleasant softness for shock absorption and necessary firmness for steering control. What really sets the surface apart is the meticulous pattern of raised anti-slip particles covering the exterior. This textured surface dramatically improves your grip control. As you ride, especially on hot summer days, your hands will naturally become sweaty. These raised rubber particles ensure that moisture does not cause your hands to slip at all, giving you a confident hold no matter the weather. Plus, this tough rubber material offers strong wear resistance, meaning these grips will easily last you for the long haul. Combining all these thoughtful design elements together, the Rider Ace bicycle handlebar grips truly deliver on all possible fronts. They offer the rugged strength you need for aggressive mountain riding, the plush comfort you want for long weekend journeys, and the smart double-locking design to ensure everything stays exactly where it should be. Having stable handling and a vastly more controlled riding experience makes all the difference in the world. Upgrading your bike has never been this easy. Check the price link in the description to grab a pair for yourself today. Please like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more awesome finds. Have a fantastic day and happy riding!